Hello everyone. Every recommendation you're about to hear comes from specialized technicians with years of experience in this appliance repair shop. So let's fix this issue together. In the workshop, we always tell clients that the EE-7 code usually points to a problem in the electronic section that controls power inside the microwave. Simply put, the unit tries to start but detects that something isn't working correctly and shuts itself down to prevent further damage. Interestingly, many clients describe something very similar. The microwave turns on normally, I set the time, and after a few seconds, EE-7 appears. That clue helps a lot, because it usually means the issue shows up right when the unit tries to send power to the heating system. That's when the control board or inverter starts working, and if something seems off, the microwave stops immediately. From there, our technicians typically check the inverter module first. This component regulates the power going to the magnetron, which is what actually heats the food. If the inverter fails, the microwave may turn on, make noise, and even seem normal, but the moment it tries to heat, it shuts down and shows EE-7. On top of that, many clients in forums mention that the problem started after a power surge, outage, or even after unplugging and reconnecting the microwave. From our experience, that makes perfect sense, because these sharp models are quite sensitive to electrical fluctuations. Even a small voltage spike can confuse the control board or damage internal components. In those situations, the first thing we recommend in the shop is unplugging the microwave for a few minutes. It sounds simple, but